Blueberry ice cream, or as I like to call it, blueberry nice cream. This is a super healthy snack on a hot summer's day, or really any time when you feel like a little bit of a pick-me-up. You're going to need some fresh blueberries for this, and have a look at these giant berries bursting with flavour. They are good enough to snack on as is, but this is also a really good way to use them. So I've just frozen my fresh blueberries along with 2 bananas. The bananas need to be super ripe. The reason for that is it's going to add some more sweetness, but it's also going to help form a beautiful, silky smooth ice cream. So once you've frozen everything, just break it up with your hands. That goes straight into a food processor or a blender. So this is kind of like an ice cream that you don't have to wait for churning. It all gets blended up and it's ready to go straight away. So in with that, along with some yogurt to give it that lovely creamy finish. I'm just using some natural yogurt, and we want about 1/4 cup. So that's just a few spoonfuls straight in. And I'm using some Manuka honey here, just a little drizzle. About 1 tablespoon or so, and a hint of cinnamon, okay? I'm keeping mine super, super basic, so I really taste the hero product here, which is the blueberries. And just to help this blend all together, I like to add just another handful of the fresh, unfrozen blueberries. Fantastic. And just you wait until you see the colour of this once it's all blended up. So blend until it's really smooth and it looks like ice cream. Ooh, that is looking just right. So you don't want to waste any time here. You want to serve it up straight away. If you didn't want to serve it straight away, you could absolutely place this back into the freezer, but you will need to re-blend it just so we get that creamy, smooth consistency. And I love those little speckles of blueberry skin there, full of flavour. Lastly, just because I have these extra blueberries, I'm just going to cut them in half and just you can see how gorgeous they are inside, that pale blonde colour. I just want to add a few more of these to the top. So cutting them in half, and then we'll sprinkle them over the top. And for some crunch, a few little almond flakes, and that's a really nice ice cream right there. I want to have a taste of this. A little scoop. Look at that gorgeous purple colour. Sometimes the simplest desserts are the best. When you've got great produce and fresh blueberries like this is my favourite way of serving them. And super healthy. Win-win.